Y'all, I'm done. I am done. I'm done. I can't do this no more. I'm done.
I ain't never seen a girl like that. Tell me if you took a chance like that. Got me spending all my cash like that. Keep on doing what I like that. Girl like that. Tell me if you took a chance like that. Got me spending all my cash like that.
Hey guys, I don't even like the way this is. Okay. Hey guys, it's Autumn and I'm back with another YouTube video. Y'all, and today I'm doing something different. I'm coming to y'all live with the monkey challenge. But it's not just any monkey challenge. This is a challenge that I never seen. Look, I looked it up on YouTube and it wasn't there. So this is something I actually came up with it. I was thinking about it in the car. So basically, here's the plan. I'm gonna let y'all in on the scoop. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't know how, I don't know what I'm gonna do, how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna take some hair, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna snip it up, honey, and I'm gonna figure out a way to put these underarms, yes, y'all, under my underarms. I'm gonna find a way to put them under my underarms, but to make it look realistic, you know, to give me some hair under my underarms, like it's gonna be real hairy, and you know, I'm gonna just be like, hey, what's up, da-da-da, where you from, da-da-da, and I'm gonna go put my hair in ponytail, do something, so I had something that involves you lifting up your underarms, and they gonna be like, her underarms hairy, y'all. I'm just so, this is gonna be funny. I just want to see people's reactions to this, and I'll be back once I get this underarm hairy, because I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I'm about to do it. I need to take off my purse, but I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to figure out how to put this under my underarm and make it look real, because yeah. So I see y'all later. Well, I see y'all after I do this. Yeah. And I'm back, y'all. I gotta hold my underarms like this because y'all, how it look? Do it look real? Is it looking real? Pause the video right now. As you watching this, pause the video right now, y'all, and tell me if my underarm hair look real enough. Tell me if it look real enough, y'all. Alright, we playing again. So alright, y'all, so we about to get into it. I'm trying to hold my underarms like this because I feel like it's gonna fall because I use tape, but that's so nasty. Okay, alright, y'all, I'm about to start. Hey, what's up?
Yo, what's up?
Where you from?
I'm from Florida. Duh.
I didn't think he know this. Yo, I gotta stay there because my bed kind of short.
Hello?
Hello?
Damn it. Oh,
What?
you look so ugly. Just saying. And shave your armpits. Because they look like...
Yo, Yo say you look so ugly. I don't care. Hey.
Oh,
What's up? Where you from?
I'm from Georgia.
Oh, cool. I've been to Georgia.
At time.
You want me at time?
Yeah.
He left me. He saw them underarms. He tried to act like he didn't. Yo, this is so hard because I'm getting nervous. Everybody's skipping me. I think it's my profile name. What's up?
What's up?
Where you from?
Hey, I'm from Atlanta. Hey, my Apple Watch, though. Oh, God.
They take
Well,
my
look at your arm. Oh, that shit real? Do it. Well, get the fuck out of here.
Yo! Hey, yo! I'll play with me, but he said, you know what you doing. Yo, this is embarrassing. Like, drag me. Hey. Where you from?
You said what?
I said, where you from? Oh my god, bro. What's up?
Hey, you beautiful. You beautiful.
Oh. Yo, I'm done. I am done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I can't do this no more. I'm done. Thank y'all for watching. But look, when that hair fell, it was over. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done.
Tell me if you take a chance like that. Got me spending all my cash like that.